Alright, so here we go. Here we go. Okay, so I guess it's one large front-end file. Actually, it's not particularly large. It's like 240 lines, but still, I wanted to split in several files, right? And the way I'm gonna do it is just fit all of them. Could you please split this code in logical components without changing any of original logic? Then I want to explore Pepper app types, right? Hello Faris, hello, 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 hello. Stream hack. How are you doing? What I wanted to do? Damn, I forget. Oh yeah, I want to check types. I'm always great at slow, I'm still what about you? I'm pretty good, like, I've been... For last several hours, I've been playing around with my OBS setup, and now, you know what I can do right now? That's terrifying. Okay, I see. Okay, actually I don't. What's terrifying about it? You have like to explain yourself. You should add monkey song. How's it called? Syllables? I have no idea how this symbols. This monkey? Okay, this one is really terrifying, not gonna lie. The cat head, his ears back and one time. Yes, like they're so, I know, it's like, it is so adorable. It is so adorable. Okay, okay, guys, this one. Types, all TypeScript type definition, API layer, a model for handling all communication with backend, state management, action, state updates and effects, yeah, UI components, use, main application entry point. Okay, let's do it. So what we got here? We got API.ts, state.ts, types. Also, first, I want to show it to yep, right here. What do you think? Huh? Okay, if you're here, obviously. What I was doing? Types. Okay, types. We use. It's a folder, and we got here out form.ts, dashboard.view. Wait. No .view, my bad. And for some reason I have also index.ts here. Main application entry point. It's kind of weird. Why is it like after the folder? Anyway, index.js. Types. API. State. Auth form. Dashboard view. Index.js. Okay. Okay, looks good to me. Oh, do I have to delete it? Yeah, I probably can. Because it's already like in a chat. If I'll need, I can revive it. File, explore, write all. Let's go here, make, no, clear, make, build. Oh, wait a minute. Make run. Localhost 8080. Okay, it works. It works pretty well. Okay, good. Let's maybe, I don't know, resync the UI, right? That's what I wanna do. But first of all, maybe I should do it in Figma first. Design. Glass. Go touch glass? It's like go touch grass but glass? That's so weird. Figma, it's so weird. But that looks cool, that looks damn cool. However, like, I have a problem with it. Oh, it's made for iOS. Okay, it makes sense. I thought like, how will you transfer it to CSS, because it's gonna be such a pain in the ass to implement. But I guess it's made not for web, but for iOS, right? Okay, where do I start? I probably start with rectangle, right? Do I have something? I don't know. Let's stop, okay. So how do I see it? How do I see it? First of all, it's probably gonna be sidebar. Let's do it that way. That way. Like that. Damn, is it a new icon for frame? Interesting. How do I feel? Wait a minute. This one is flex. 0. Wait, it's so weird. Okay, now it works. With fill, hate fill, the same thing here. Go here, no gap. Let's change the color. Actually, let's do dark mode first. Add fill. Just like that. Good enough for now. Width, let's make it 320. Right, then. There's gonna be several several habits here. Fill, okay. I don't know, 8. I guess just like that. So it's gonna be GitHub styled habit tracker. Like this one. Let's add user here. Okay, I guess just like that. Then, but I need profiles, right? Because it's gonna be more like a social platform. Actually, let's just look how other people do it. I'm curious. Okay, also we can take inspiration from paper trackers. Okay, this one is good. With or without grid lines. UI. Can I get desktop UI, please? Okay, this one. This one is good. So are those weeks? Yeah, it's a week. There are 7 pixels. Makes sense. Okay. So I guess it's gonna be more like, let's create 2 frames here. Frame 1, oops, my bad. Frame 2. Go that way. What is it, like, why is it so weird? Anyway. Then is it gonna take full width? Here it's gonna be something like, I don't know, reading. Let's make it after layout 2. That way. Let's round it. Way too much. Let's do 8. Also increase this one. 12 is too small. 20? Okay, I want more padding. 16. Damn, isn't it too wide? Can I use it to separate weeks into months? It should probably be possible, right? So I just like, okay, I have to draw some squares to show it. Fill. Let's make it gray. Probably want it to be 8 by 8. Go that way. 0, 0. Probably 2. Okay. So I want to do it 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 of them. Then group it. Right, then take this group, make layout, go that way, and then copy the group. It's just like that. Actually, my bad. I should have created component so I can modify them. So this one is gonna be component. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Group, layout, down, and go that way. It struggles. Anyway, it doesn't matter. Now, if I'll change this one to 2, okay, it works. Then how can I do that? I can go here. So it's like what? 21? Right? No, it's 28. 28. 35. I'm grouping this. And let's make it like 31. Oh, this one is bad. From top. Oh, that's not the reason. It shrinks. Has to fill. Just like that. Mm-hmm. Then can I group these two? Group. Just like that. Will it work that way? I mean, it looks kind of bad, not gonna lie. Maybe do it just like that. Like, the problem is, I have horizontal spacing of 4 pixels here and 2 pixels vertical here, which is like ridiculous. It should be uniform, but I have no idea how to do it uniformly. I'm not sure if it's even possible. Like, I can shift it down. looks so weird. Okay, so I guess it's gonna be something like that. 1, 2. Okay, nice. Copy this one. Just like that. Okay. Now I want to increase gap from 2 to 10. Okay, I broke it. Why so? I don't know. Looks somewhat weird. But maybe okay. Zero. Damn, that's really weird. Okay, maybe just like that. This one looks better. Yeah, let's increase everything. I want to increase radius. I want to increase gap to 16. Actually, radius is way too big. Let's make it 12. Yeah, and then I want to add button. Lock. Group. Layout. Fill. Let's make it white, while text is black. Actually, it shouldn't be that. Oh, it's only 16. Okay, let's increase this text to 24. Make it center it, but by vertically centrify it, I guess. Then increase gap to 8. Round corners to 8, maybe 4. Okay, I want this button to be larger. 4 and 8, maybe 16. Okay, that's too much. 12. Maybe it should be just an icon, you know? I got plugins here. Iconify. Draw. Pencil. Actually, no, I want them to be uniform, so I want to find a set. Material symbols. Material symbols light. Google material icons. One of these two. I'm not sure which one is one I need. I guess this one. Pencil. Okay, but I got pen. Draw. Draw. Right. Note. Actually, this one is good. Four, maybe two. Okay, I don't know. I don't like this icon, not gonna lie. Let's find another one. I feel like pencil was the best one. Pen. This one is rounded, yes, yep. Let's make it smaller. 16. Yeah, just like that. And increase padding to 8. Okay, 8 is too much for. It looks somewhat weird and I can't tell what exactly makes it that way. Should I do it that way? Often. Maybe just like that. That means I have to increase the squares. 16. Okay. Huh? That's so weird. With hack. Okay, this one is better. 4. Okay, not bad actually. fill. Oh, it's gonna be underneath, that's not what I want. How do I make it on top? Oh, I know, actually I know. No, I don't, wait a minute. If I'll make fill, make it fully transparent, if I'll make gradient, it's not gonna work that way. Opacity. I want to fade it out here. Oh, actually, you know, it should be other way around. That way. It should fade out here. So basically, how I'm gonna do that? I'll make a group, then make layout, then remove layout. Then I'll add square. Move to this frame. Right? How can I lock it? Yep. Just like that. No, like maybe 24. Gradient. Zero. 10. No, that's not gonna look good. I guess this one is good enough. Maybe increase it a little bit. I don't know, 32. Actually, it's pretty good. Okay, and what do we have right now? Actually, it's good enough, I can already start doing it. But first of all, I want to create login page. Actually, I guess I'll just do it in place without Figma. Okay, one more thing. Maybe I can increase gap to 32 and it's gonna look better. It definitely looks better that way. Okay. Also want to add weeks here. Months. Okay, so I can, on top I can add month's name, and on the bottom I can add week number. Where do I have styles? Here. It's not good. Is there an elegant way to build in styles? Okay, actually I want to rephrase it. What is the most elegant way to add styles to those components? When you router. So we got state. Okay, it's a type. Initial state. View. User, token, habits. What is the type of view state? View, login, sign up, dashboard. Out form, sign up out form, login false. Okay. Choosing a styling strategy is a key to maintaining clean and scalable front-end applications. The most elegant way often depends on your personal preference, team conventions, and the complexity of the project. Here are the most popular and elegant ways to style your recommendation summary. CSS models, CSS in JS, utility for CSS, like Tailwind. CSS models, a balanced scalable approach using standard CSS scope styles by default. Brew. Use standard CSS syntax. Brew. Zero runtime overhead. Required build tool setup. Brew. Minor disconnect between JS and CSS. CSS and JS. Highly dynamical UIs and maximum component encapsulation. Styles collocated with components. Full power of JS for dynamic styles. No class name collisions. CSS models, a balanced approach. Model.css. Import styles object from CSS into a component. Use import style. Okay, so we got CSS here. Update the component. We import styles right into the TypeScript. And then... where is... Wait. Where is styles? Oh, okay. Class, styles, from container. Okay, it looks good. I'm not gonna lie, it looks pretty good. Actually looks pretty good, not gonna lie. So then, add a whose form not model.css. CSS in JS integrated approach. Goober. What is Goober? JS. Goober, a less than 1 kilobyte CSS in JS solution. The API inspired by a motion style function. Minion, you call it with your tag name and returns a VDOM component for that tag. Note setup is needed to be run before style function is used. Madon, icon, math random. This component, edges, labels, class names. It looks interesting, but I'm not sure, I'm not gonna lie. It's like, I don't know. I don't feel like I need it. Styled span. Then string. Okay. Isn't Tailwind, right? The last option is Tailwind. It's a rapid approach, how it works. Tailwind CSS, yep. Maybe I can just like store them in constants, right? But what's gonna be the difference then? Like it's gonna be the same CSS. Okay, then maybe I should just use CSS. Not gonna lie. So, what do I have here? Actually, I want to import it. So how do I do it? Import styles from, okay. Just like that. Can I find model? Or is corresponding type declaration? What do you mean? That's weird anyway. Styles dot. Huh? Because it's empty, that's the reason. Let's read about CSS models. So I have to create this thing. Plugins. Where do I have plugins? Okay. So I just go here. Expected comma. Like at all? Actually no. And Vim, frontend, views, aus form. Still doesn't work, cannot find model. Models, yeah, just like that. But I just get following error. Maybe, just maybe, I should switch to Tailwind, because I'm well familiar with it, and it's gonna be much faster. It's probably what I should do. Stop Tailwind CSS. Isn't white. Are there any disadvantages? It's gonna take a lot of space. Like right now, it already looks pretty messy, right? The hint, I can do it that way. The problem is this error happens. TypeScript job is to understand the shape and type. Okay. Create a declaration file. Declaration.t.s. Add the model declaration classes. Wow. Declare model. Wow. src. Okay. Okay. I don't know. I probably just use Tailwind, I'm not gonna lie. Like, I want to keep it minimal, but at the same time, Tailwind is gonna just improve my performance so much. npm create, yeah, I already have that. npm install. Let's do it. Clear cd frontend. Ban install. Got it. Let's configure it. Wait, config plugins. Just like that. Okay. Import element, but I have to create it, yep. Styles.css. It's style, not styles, yeah. move. Just like that, I guess. Then what I can do, I can remove this one. Make build. Okay, that was long. Okay, it works, however, I wonder. Dashboard view. Dashboard container. BG black. Right. Okay, nothing changed. Let's delete cells. Let's wait, actually. Gemini probably told me like how to do that. I would assume. Update the component. Okay, it didn't. Never mind. Tailwind with styles in TypeScript files. Custom style, border color. Dynamic class names. Actually, dashboard view, create new habit. Let's go here, class with 80 PG black color. It's text white. Text white. It doesn't work. Inspect. Do I have styles here? Oh, wait a minute. I don't? That's weird. Right. No, I have it. I have it. Here it is. Can I like... Sources, src, assets, styles. Wait a minute. What the hell is it? Wait a minute. CD frontend, DRMD. Okay. Okay, it's one.log, isn't it? Packages on .log. Yeah, one log is here. Package log. Yeah, this one is good, actually, isn't it? Or is it? No, it's not. I have to delete it. Run. Tailwind CLI. Framework guides. Solid, Angular. React router. CDN. Create tailwind config.js, post.css config.js. But I don't need them. Do I? It's called tailwind config. So I was starting with new white React Tailwind project, and Tailwind has been updated to v4 just recently. Was gonna create some new themes. Okay. Inside of Tailwind config.js file, you can configure all your customizations directly in CSS file where you import Tailwind, giving you one less file to worry in your project. Okay, let's just tell it. In new Tailwind v4, there is no Tailwind config.js anymore. Search through web to find how to do it correctly. The new version. CSS. Now run fresh install. Update your white config. Add plugin here. Make sure this is imported. It's already done. Correct CSS file import. Yep. Update index.html source. The link tag for CSS should be removed from here. Seriously? Why so? Add line here. Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Can't find model. Damn, man, you're so annoying. Okay, let's remove this. Right. And then just feed it there. Hey, good. Type declaration file. White env.d.ts. White TypeScript CSS models. Option 1. Set your workspace version of TypeScript. Open VS Code command palette, enter TypeScript, select TypeScript version, choose your workspace version. Option 2. Set the plugin directly in your user workspace settings. I don't use VS Code. That's so funny. I said I don't use VS Code and then I got this pop-up from VS Code. Okay. Plus white. TS config. White config TS. And why is it so hard? Are there better ways to do that? I don't know how to say it. I'll just let him think. So it wants me to create this file and then add what? Generate TypeScript. Reference types white client. What this does? A special / directive tells the TypeScript compiler to include all of white's default type definitions. Best practice. Alternative but not better methods. Suppress all errors. Just ignore. Okay, let's just do it. White env.d.ts. Let's go here. Oh, it works, yeah? Is it? Does it? Make build. The CSS from... Okay, that might be my problem actually. Okay. Nice, make run. Yeah, it works. Yay! Yay! Now, I have to start it all. Let's start from login, I guess. Alt form. I don't need this anymore. Log out. Login. Sign up. Login. Okay. Class. Border. Border to border. Actually, I want to go to index and I want to make main. How do I do it? That way? It's not a class, right? So it's it's tech, yeah. So just like that, main, apply, BG black. I have to rebuild it. CD frontend. Run dev. Okay, I got different URL. Okay, it works. No. Good enough now. Actually, that's my bad. Flex. View full. H full. Flex column. Flex column. Items. Center. Justify. Center. Okay, so it should be H not full, but screen. Okay, good. That's it. Gap. Does it work? Oh yeah, it does. Oh no, wait a minute. I can tell. 16. Yeah, it does work. Let's do 8, I guess. Then H. Yeah, let's probably leave it as it is. Username, password, login. Input, type, name, ID, type text, class, bg, what's it called? It's not gray. Natural, 200. Gray is like not. Okay, I got colors here, that's interesting. It's not like truly gray as far as I can tell. Yeah, it's not. Neutral, not natural, yeah. Okay. Flex, gap 2. Actually, okay. As is from here, let's add class. Flex cal gap ho. Button class bg natural rounded P4. Okay, that's too much. Good. Let's do the same thing here. Oh, I got email here. Yep, I'm bad. Okay, pretty good. There are not much, but it's already looks really good. But first of all, I want to change this text. It's actually not good. Should be H span. I guess, yeah. Type string is not assignable to type. Okay. Text. Expression expected. Wait a minute. Yep. Just like that. Text, natural. 500. 400. Class. Underline. Flex gap 2. Yeah, just like that. However, I want to increase width. Where can I do that? We full. Yep. H2 form. Probably here. With 80. Probably also I want to decrease gap here to form. And I don't need this text. Where it is? I don't need it. It's good that way. Also, I want to change button. I'll make background white and text black. Yeah, just like that. Hover, mouse. I'm not really sure. Click, mouse, cursor. Cursor. I misclicked. Pointer, default, text weight. Pointer, yep. There it was. Right here, no, not really. Yeah, pretty good. make run. Okay, nice. I want to remove duplications, not gonna lie. Let's create a directory called leap. There are gonna be components. It's actually how I want it to be. Probably not, probably I'm enough with views and components. I don't need leap, I can just do components directly. Oh, my bad, not what I wanted. And here I can make input, but yes, just like that. So then, export const input equals function. What it takes and what returns props is again. State. Oh wait, that's so weird. Returns state of type without. No wait. Why is there two arrows? There are two arrows. That's so weird. We got props. What the hell is that? Could you please explain to me this function definition? I do not understand. Why there are two arrows? Yes. Understanding the double arrow currying. In JavaScript and TypeScript, an arrow function, yeah, is a concise way to write a function. When you see this, it signifies a higher order function, a function that returns another function. Oh shit, why is it so difficult? Else form, we get props and we return. Oh, I see. It's a closure, right? It's a closure. I see, yeah, I see. That makes sense. Because action is like cannot take only state. Okay, that makes sense. Well, I want to read further, just to make sure. Let's simplify the structure. Out form, return, yep. Breakdown of the outer function. This first props the inner function, the outer function returns. This is the inner function, takes a global state. It's responsible for them. Why use this pattern in hyperweb? This two-function structure provides a clean separation of concerns. Static properties props. The outer function receives props, which are typically static values passed from a parent component. These don't change during the component's life cycle. Dynamic state. The inner function receives, the application state, which is dynamic and can change over time. By re-executing the inner function with a new state, hyperweb efficiently updates the DOM. But that's not what I need actually, right? Because I have like there are gonna be no state, right? Right. Let's close useless steps actually. Yeah. There was interesting repository called Hyper Awesome. Yeah, here we go. SRC. Leap. Okay. Dispatch roads normalized. Okay, interesting. I'll check it later. I need something else. 7 guides with hyper. Components. Okay. So it makes sense. Index.js. State, yeah. Yeah, it actually makes a lot of sense. So I just go here. I leave it as it is. However, I need props. Any, I guess. For now, at least. H. Return H. Let's go here. Actually, just copy this one. Return. What's the problem? Wait a minute. Cannot find name H. Oh yeah, for sure. My bad. Just like that. Remove these. Then make it prettier. Okay, pretty good. Maybe, just maybe. I want to do it that way. Where it was? Input. Props. Actually, no, it should override it, so it should be at the end. Type text, name username. Just like that, on a class. Then let's move to out form. Import input. And use it right here. Input. Type text. Name username, ID username required true. Okay. Required true. What's happening? Element we not unknown. Wait a minute, don't tell me that. State. Is that the problem, really? State. Seriously? Wait a minute. H. What is the returns? Element we node. There is like no state. There's 0 types, but got 1. Okay. Element we node are not is unassignable to type. Maybe we know state. Seriously, so I have to use state here even though it's like stateless function. That sucks. How do I fix it? Make not make ban run dev. Oh, it works. Wait a minute. Ban run build? That's so weird. Okay. How do I fix following error? Yes. Yes. Input.ts. Let's see. But other than that, it's good. It should be good. Actually, I can maybe even do it that way. It's gonna be cleaner. Actually, wait a minute. Yeah, it should work. Is it readable? I guess so, maybe. I mean, it doesn't, it's like not terrible. Okay, it was better previously. Yeah, just like that. So let's read. This error is because a reusable input component is not aware of application state type. Okay, the solution. To resolve this, you need to make input component generic. This allows you to pass the state type to it, ensuring that the node it creates is compatible with the rest of your application. Okay, interesting. Input props. Actually, I guess maybe there should be a better way to do that. Where it was? So there is this .d.ts file. All or nothing, at least one. Indexable by key. Model hyper app H. Builds a virtual DOM node. Memo text. Action app. Class prop. Custom payloads. Dispatch. Effector. Dispatch. Okay, so I got following hyperapp types from its source code. Is there a more elegant way to solve the problem? Yes. Actually, why is it red? Oh, it's because I got what is settings? So appearance, yeah, I got accent color, right? If I'm gonna do it blue, yeah, it will change. Okay, let's leave it red for now. Zergner solution, a state-aware H. Instead of importing the generic H function from HyperApp, in every file you can create your own typed H function once and use it through your application. This function is pre-configured with your application state type. Okay, that's interesting. HTS. So there is like no other way to do it. That's unfortunate. Records 3 no. Define a more input props. Okay, yep. We know state. But how does it know about state? Huh? I have to import it. Wait, it knows how? Wait. Oh, because I define it here. Okay, it makes sense. Yeah, it makes sense. Yeah, but doing that every time is kinda ridiculous, I'm not gonna lie. Remove this and this, right? And I can't remove this one, right? Because it's gonna break everything. Oh, I can, never mind. Never mind, I need it only here. Then ban run build. Okay, it works. Let's cd back. No, actually I want to launch only frontend. Ban run dev. Got it. Is it here? Yep. Okay, I got 2 inputs, that's weird. Actually it's not. I can remove this one. Yeah, just like that. Perfect. Let's copy this one. Paste it for password. Right? Actually it's for email. So here, email. Email. Wait, type email, my bad. One more scene. Yeah, it works. Nice. Have to execute JSON in response, expected end of JSON input. Yeah, makes sense. Then, what's next? Oh, actually, I can do it with labels, right? I can move everything to the input, including labels. Actually, yes. I want to take this one. Okay. Okay. It's probably not how I want it to be. It's not how I want it to be. So it's gonna be const input equals this. Just like that. Then also need to do state here. Node state. Then I probably want to call it native input. Then what I'm gonna do here is if props dot string. Oh, no, wait. Can I add it to the type? Records. Okay. Anyway, because this one is gonna be equal props dot label equals false. Wait, equals undefined. Wait, what am I doing? Equals undefined. Then return native input props. Else return this. And here is gonna be native input props. Text username, that's not what I need. It was where? Here. I still have it here. Yeah, I do. Okay. Can just safely delete it. Cannot find text. I bet. Text. Okay, actually it's not a good idea. Right? It's not. How will I apply styles? It's gonna be a pain to do that. Like, it's just not gonna work. So we got div here, we got label, we got input. And I can change styles for each of these elements. And encapsulating them into component will forbid such functionality. Which is not what I want. Or maybe I don't really care, actually. Maybe I don't. Input div flex. Native input props. Okay. I can add additional props like style label. So, okay, but it's gonna be complicated. Better to leave it as it is. For text. What do we got here? Name, ID. Actually, I want to read more about labels. How does it work? Labels, HTML. Label. For attaches to ID or what? Attributes ID, yeah. The value of the for attribute must be a single ID. Okay. Okay, makes sense for text. Makes sense. Props.label. Props.id. How do I make ID field in props required? And how do I pass into native input only props that I did not use? Yes. Or maybe there is a better way to achieve what I'm trying to do here. Just like that. Native input props emit record. Wow, defines the base props for a standard HTML input element. Wow, okay. Defines the props for your custom input component input native input props and label string. Okay. Record. Okay. For ID rest. How? Where do we get rest? Oh, that's so interesting. Field required. In the update code, native input is defined as the entries that any object of this type must have an ID property that is a string. This ensures. Okay. I mean, like, partially understand it. I don't know what emit does, but okay. If there is no label, we just render the native input. The ID is now guaranteed to be present. Okay. If there is label, we render the label on the input. Okay. Right. Oh, my bad. TypeScript emit. Emit constructs a type by picking all properties from type and then removing keys, string literal union of string types, the opposite of pick. So we take the record and remove all IDs and ID. Okay, actually I want to just Gemini. How to pass only unused props, yep. Could you please explain step by step following line? Part 1, record. Record. This is utility creates a type where the property keys are of type keys and the type. Yeah, string unknown. String is keys, unknown is type. Yep. This is a good starting point for general pros, but it's too loose for our needs because ID is optional and its type isn't guaranteed. Or to omit ID. This is another utility type that modifies an existing type. Omit. This utility constructs a new type by taking an existing type and removing the keys you specify. We are taking the generic object type we defined in part 1 and creating a new type that is not allowed to have a property named ID. In simple terms, describes an object that can have any property except for ID. This is clever immediate step. This is a clever intermediate step. We are temporarily banning the ID property so we can reintroduce it with a more specific definition in the next step. String. This is a standard object. Okay, but this was like pick. Constructs a type by picking the set of properties key, string, literal, or units of string literals from type. Pick. To do. Title. Completed. So there is no description anymore. Okay, I see. I see, okay. This is a standard object type literal, okay. The intersection, AND operator. The AND symbol is the intersection operator in TypeScript. It combines multiple types into a single new type that has all the features of the types it's combining. Okay, in simple terms, you can read the AND as AND. The final type must satisfy the rules of type left and the rules of type of right, pointing all together. And the final result, the type describes object is guaranteed to have a property called ID, which is a string. Can also have any other string-based properties, like with any value. Why do we have to omit ID then? It's kind of weird, but okay. Okay. Yep. Looks pretty good. Native input. Okay. Good enough now. Let's move on here and let's test it. So what I'm doing here, I'm taking input, remove, probably I want to comment all of this. Input, what does it take? Label ID, rest. Username. Expect one arguments but got two. What do you mean? Oh, it's an object, my bad. Sorry about that. Label ID. And then rest. Type text. Already got name. Acquired true. Okay, just like that. Okay, it was the wrong link. It works, right? This is, yeah, username. Yeah, it works. Nice. But I want to make it capital, probably. Label, username, ID. Yeah, just like that. Then I can remove all of that. Passwords. We're gonna be in a minute, copy that. Props is login and This is kinda ugly, but I guess that's the best thing I can do. Maybe I can do it that way. Okay, there is no tab which makes it look bad. Label is gonna be password. Password. Yeah. Copy one more time. Oh, it was not password, it was mail. Okay, much better. And it works. No way. Wow. Wow, it actually feels so good. It actually feels so good. Like, not gonna lie, it feels really similar to any other frameworks, right? But the fact that it's just basically JavaScript and nothing else, it feels good. It's like I'm not locked in. Okay, so that's an array. Is there a way to do it better? There should be. I can make scope. Can I? I should be able to. So I'm doing if then return wait a minute, why does breaks? What's wrong? Is there a way to do this login check via regular if for better code readability? Error message. Text red 500. Maybe 400. Okay, good. Use variables for clarity. is login. Props is login. Button text. Login. Okay. From children. Okay, I see. It's login. Const. Login payload. Return state. Login fx. Login payload. Sign up fx. It's kind of weird. Why? Oh, I'm reading the wrong scene. Never mind. Wait. Why? But it changed it. If it's login. I want to do it here. Wait. Push input from children push. Okay, that's so interesting. Let's copy it. I don't actually like it. Let's leave it as it is. Text. Why is it so weird here? Login, create account, loading. Okay, because it's a button. Actually, let's create component for button too. Button. Oh, also I'm curious. I'm importing input from input. Is that how it should be? Guess it's maybe not a problem. What if I'll just like, can I do it that way? Input dot input. Can't find name input. Okay, so it's not gonna work. It's gonna be import without brackets. So it's good enough that way. Return native input. I don't need this. Let's copy this button. Turn. State, my bad, I don't need this. Actually, have I deleted it here? No, I didn't. Okay. Disabled, submit. Text. Of all of that. What about children? Okay, let's leave it as it is. At the moment I'll need children, so I'll let it children. So then in text, right, it's gonna be text. Text. Oh, ST, I don't know. Expected. Yeah, just like that. Rest is declared, but its file is never read. My bad. Rest. Button text equals button text. State. My bad. Yeah, actually my bad. Oh. Text. Button text. Also, am I doing it right? Yeah, pretty much. String. Okay. Expect one argument, but got to. Text. Button text. Type submit. Submit. Disabled state is loading. Yeah. Actually, wait, no. Why do I got state here? Wait a minute. Wait. I'm doing something ridiculously wrong here. No, wait. Am I? No, everything's fine. Okay, everything's fine. I thought it's like, it's a generic. I thought I'm passing state, which I'm not doing. It's okay. Okay, yeah. Let's check it out. Yeah, it works. Underline cursor pointer. Okay. Chilling. Const link text. Link text. No, it looks really good. If state error, then HP class text. Yeah, else no. Let's build it. cd make build make run validation failed. Wait a minute. Validation failed. Wait, what do you mean? I'm creating an account, I'm not validating anything. Console. Failed to load resource, the server respond with the status of bad request. Huh? Validation failed. Again. This. Validation failed. That's so weird. Internal. API. Routes. Login. Validation error response. Validation failed. Details. Oh, actually. Inspect. Network. Login. Failed on the required tag. Oh, so I broke the form. I broke the form. That makes sense. How did I did it so? Type submit disabled. Elements. Let's check this button. Type submit. Let's log in. Okay, how it was before? Wait a minute. Class, type submit, disabled, text. Okay, and so you wanna tell me that this one is gonna work? Make build. Make, oh, why did I build it second time? Make run, update, Ellis. Validation failed. Oh, that's not the button. It's not the button. Probably inputs. Label, ID. Wait a minute. Let me check. Elements. An element doesn't have an autocomplete attribute. Wait, what? A form field has an ID or name attributes that the browser autofill recognizes. However, it doesn't have an autocomplete attribute assigned from correctly autofilling the form. Label, ID, type, required. I got no name, that's a problem. Input. For ID. AD. Will it work? Okay, I got name. Okay, now it works. Oh god. Nice. Okay, actually I think it's enough for today. I did a pretty good job. And damn, like, this way of doing frontend so far is so good. Not gonna lie.